Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Saturday, April 18th. The number of total confirmed cases remains at 21. Of those 21 cases, 17 individuals have either recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining 4 active cases are residents, 3 are in home isolation, and 1 remains in isolation in the hospital. All but 1 case has been confirmed to be travel-related. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. Yesterday, Governor David Ige announced his 5th emergency proclamation on COVID-19. This order included many changes, but we wanted to highlight a few with you today so that everyone can be aware of these important updates. First, the proclamation includes a moratorium on evictions. This prevents any eviction from a residential dwelling for failure to pay rent or fees as part of a rental agreement or lease. Secondly, it further enhances social distancing requirements. All customers and employees of essential businesses must practice a 6-foot distance to the extent it is feasible. Essential businesses should encourage customers to do their business by phone or online, if at all possible. Otherwise, each essential business must determine a maximum number of customers that it can accommodate inside a store to maintain social distancing, and then limit the number of customers to that maximum at all times. Hand sanitizers must be made available to employees, and high-touch surfaces must be disinfected regularly. Third, the governor has now mandated across the state that all customers shall wear a face covering while entering a business. This one is nothing new to us, folks, as we've been doing that for several days now. So once again, great job, Kauai. But while we're on the subject of masks, I'd like to remind everyone that masks are mandated for those over the age of 5. However, children under the age of 2 should not wear masks as it could affect their ability to breathe properly. Children between 2 and 5 can wear masks if they are cooperative with it. We know there are many questions concerning the governor's 5th emergency proclamation since its release yesterday afternoon. We have mostly heard the need to clarify what the beach closure order means and how to interpret the limitations on fishing. We are in contact with the Attorney General's office as of Saturday morning and will report back to all of you how we will be enforcing governor's directives related to these items. We know there are still many questions on the details of this new proclamation, and we are working to clarify those questions for all of you. These rules are now in effect and will remain in effect until at least April 30th, but I will tell you that all county mayors have been in contact with the governor about these orders, and they will likely be extended beyond April 30th, which will include the stay-at-home order as well as the mandatory quarantine. We will update you as this information is confirmed. We would encourage everyone to read the governor's 5th emergency proclamation by going to governor.hawaii.gov and click on News. It will also be posted to the County of Kauai COVID-19 website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. As face coverings become our new norm, we want to thank each and every one of you out there who have been busy cutting, sewing, or donating materials for masks so that we can make sure that everyone on our island is masked up. As a reminder, any fabric over the nose and mouth, such as a bandana, is a sufficient face covering. So we'd like to take this opportunity to send a big mahalo to our friends at Kipu Ranch. They donated hundreds of bandanas, which are given to the Kauai bus drivers so that passengers who may not have a mask can have a free Kipu Ranch bandana and still ride the bus. Mahalo Kipu Ranch, and to all of our magical mask makers out there. A few more reminders. If you have not completed your Census 2020 survey, please do today. It's a simple 10-question survey, but your response counts to help our island receive our fair share of federal funding. You can complete the paper census form that you received in the mail or if you did not receive a form in the mail, please complete your survey online or by phone by visiting hawaiicounts.org for more information. As an additional reminder, the Department of Education is continuing its grab-and-go meal program for keiki 18 years and younger on Kauai. Participating schools include Koloa Elementary, Kekaha Elementary, Kapa'a High School, Chiefus Kamakahele Middle School, and Waimea High School. Breakfast pickup is from 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and lunch is from 11:30 a.m. to 12 noon. There will be no personal interaction between DOE employees and the community. All meals will be placed in containers and pickup is outside. This is your COVID-19 update for today. Let's continue to be responsible in our actions to slow the spread of COVID-19 on our island so that we can keep making forward progress and taking a staged approach to get people back to work in a way that it is safe and responsible. That means we need to stay home as much as possible, refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you are seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. On a final note, we all want to say happy birthday to Ross Farias. Bless your heart for all you have to put up with. Once again, Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there and take care of one another. God bless and aloha.